Welcome to Simplekidscrafts.com. To make a spa mask, draw an oval shape. Draw the eyes. Draw the mouth. Cut the mask out. Place it in a bag. Seal with tape and add a label. To make rollers, cut a straw. Cut the inside. Place upon another straw and cut. Place rollers in a bag. Seal the bag with tape and add a label. To make magazines, cut out covers. Cut a strip of paper with the same height as the cover. Fold. Place glue on the side. Gather the sides. Put glue on the front. Place a cover on the front. And fill the magazine with writing and stickers. To make tiny nail polish bottles, glue a Hama bead onto a larger bead. To make an eyeshadow, use 2 plastic gems. Paint the back of one with black nail polish and place smaller plastic gems on it. Before the nail polish dries, glue the 2 gems together and paint again with transparent nail polish. To make shampoo and conditioner, use the cap of a glitter container. Paint the inside with nail polish. Glue on a bead at the top. Then cut a piece of glue stick and place it inside. To make mascara, paint a toothpick using a black marker or polish. Cut the toothpick. Place glue on a long bead. Attach the toothpick and cut any excess. To make a cream, place glue on a large bead. Place a smaller bead on top. Paint with nail polish, if needed. To make a mirror, draw a mirror shape on foam. Cut. Glue onto another piece of foam. Cut. Glue sticker. And a mirror or metallic paper. To make a basket, draw a circle on cardboard. Cut and glue on a strip all around. Finish it up with a Barbie label.